you doing here?
Can I come in? Okay. You like bikes?
What can I do for you?
I have something I need to say to you, so I'm just gonna go ahead and say it.
Okay.
I leave in the morning.
Are you going on vacation?
Not exactly. I'm being deployed overseas.
I didn't even know you were in the military.
Well, yeah, I sort of joined accidentally last night. Whoops.
How do you accidentally join the military?
That doesn't matter. The point is, now that I have to go, I have something I have to get off my chest.
Okay.
I think I'm in love with you. I've had a crush on you ever since you moved into the apartment complex.
Thank you, I guess.
Yeah, I just wanted you to know how I felt. I'm being shipped overseas. I'm not sure what's going to happen over there. I didn't want to have any regrets.
Well, that's very sweet of you. I kind of have a boyfriend.
Yeah, no, I know, I understand. I didn't want to get between you and him. I just wanted you to know, how I felt.
Okay, well, thank you.
Yeah. Do you think it would be alright if I wrote you?
I don't know if that would be a good idea. My boyfriend and all.
Yeah, I understand. I just thought that maybe, if I wrote you, it'd feel like I had a friend in the States. You don't have to respond or anything, I don't know, I thought that maybe, I don't know. Thanks for listening.
If you really want to write me, you can.
Okay, thanks.